Our number 2 recommended gift guide product this year is our Korean Orchid Stem Cell. So this one I developed separately for the person who is very impatient and who feels that she or he doesn't have that much time to invest in their skincare, and that they're always busy, and that they only want one product that they can use where they can feel that their skin is going to get some kind of treatment. Enter the Korean Orchid Stem Cell. You guys know that I love stem cells, plant stem cells. I really feel very strongly about them because they deliver results. You don't require any farming to do a plant stem cell. It's really about the fact that we can get to the right molecule, the specific molecule that we want. Say, for example, the Korean orchid stem cell, which is happens to come from Malaysia. And this orchid is one that's rare because it's been farmed so much throughout the years, because people believe a lot in orchids. Either they want it for collection, but it is well known in Asian countries that orchids can be used for many different things, especially for to help with curing certain diseases and that type of thing. So it has become quite a rare plant. What we can do is go in when you're doing a stem cell extract. What you can do is you only need the one flower. And what that flower is going to be able to do is that we will take it and go process, take the one molecule that we need out of it and reprocess it, make it again and again till it's so strong that you really don't need to do all of that extraction where there's a whole bunch of waste. Okay, so the Korean orchid, I love it because this one is one of the newest plant stem cells that has come out on the market, and it's like a jolt to the skin. So what it does is that it's got so many minerals such as magnesium, potassium, calcium, that it goes into the skin and it gives it a jolt. That's why we specifically recommend it not only for the entire skin, but this one is made for droopy eyelids. So if you tend to have droopy eyelids, you can apply this cream, I would say twice a day. Okay, if I can get it out. Now I got too much. It's got hyaluronic acid, but mostly the Korean orchid stem cell. So you can do this over your eyelids. See if I manage not to get that little mascara that I have on. Okay, upward motions. And you will be amazed in 2 weeks at the amount, at the beautiful results that you get. You can also use this cream to sculpt your jowl. Okay, never forget. Sculpt it. Use it under your neck if you want, but never waste. These creams are so concentrated that you never want to waste. And so this can also be used, like I said, all over your face, every single day, twice a day. This is for the person who feels that he or she doesn't have a lot of time to dedicate to skincare. It is chock full of nuts of really great stuff, and you will see results in 2 weeks or less. Offer this to any woman or man 30 or over. This can be their skincare routine, and also whenever if they cleanse, of course, always clean your skin is what I'm saying. This can be a great gift for the holidays.